Attorneys are always looking for more press coverage and asking me, hey, how can we get more of this? And let's talk about three different specific ways that you might find helpful. Number one, you can always launch a PR campaign. So that could be something where you offer something to the community, like the free cab ride programs we run in major cities where we reimburse people to get home safely instead of driving home drunk and then sharing that with news sources. Number two is controversy. So we once worked with a criminal defense attorney who published a scholarship program on his website and said, I want you to tell me your story of drunk driving. And he had people admitting to this, okay? Very controversial and publicly admitting this too. And he basically picked a winner and they got a scholarship and money. But by doing that, he was able to get in front of the Wall Street Journal and just all of these major news organizations nationally and locally, of course. So that resulted in a lot of PR, a lot of awareness, but also a lot of links back to his website. And the third tip I have is to overshare public cases. Now, obviously, we know there's only some things that you can share with cases, and every jurisdiction is different and every case is different. In some cases, you may not be able to share anything, unfortunately. But where it's appropriate, you want to overshare information that will help capture that public interest, especially if this was a case that was already on the news and there's people that are Googling that, and you can look at Google Trend data and say, hey, are people actually searching this? But if that need and that desire already exists, it's a perfect opportunity to write what you can and provide what you can to really just get in front of that interested audience. And that's going to result in a lot of press coverage. And again, since I'm an SEO person, I'm not going to ignore the backlinks, which will really benefit your SEO. These are the three ways that you can get more press coverage for your law firm.